she knows I'm not trying to fuck with her. Like,
What do you think made her to do it?
guys. Hmm?
What do you think made her do it?
Well, honestly to speak, like I feel like she she wants the restraining order because I feel like yo, what the fuck you doing?
That hurt? Oh, it's pulling from the top. Like when I go in, it sometimes pulls from the top. I didn't realize that it was pulling until you just reacted. I'll be more careful. I didn't know it was pulling from that.
People are afraid of my presence, man. I'm gonna be honest with you. She think that I think she think that something gonna happen to her. That I'm gonna come get my daughter and do something to her. Like I really think she feels like that. I really think she feels like because she's in Puerto Rico that I might come get my daughter. Don't,
So do you think it was just like out of animosity?
huh?
I said, do you think it was like more like out of animosity to try to get back at you for some reason?
Nah, I think she seriously like she because of the things she said and done, the
Hmm.
lies, she's scared of me. Like
Yeah.
she thinks that I'm gonna come get her, like come get my daughter and beat her ass. Like
Okay.
she literally feels like because of what she's did online and how she's lied and fed off my name and kept me from my daughter. She thinks that I'm highly upset about that and I want to come get my daughter and do things to her. So she really
Right.
feels like, you know what I'm saying? Like I'm going
Right.
to do something to hurt her.
Just leave it.
Okay. That makes sense.
But it's not true. That's just because she got a guilty conscience.
I'm gonna pull your hair.
Well, Leah, figure it out, yo. Figure it out. It got to get done.